Okay. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jazmin Dennise here, back with another video. And sorry I'm hungry. I'm in the Snickers. I'm back with another video. If you are new here, welcome, Jasmine. Go hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. If you have watched my videos before, hello, welcome back. So, if you already have watched making my baby shower dress 1, 2, 3, and 4, the different parts, those are not my actual maternity dress. I literally said that every single video. This is a practice dress, meaning I am not wearing this. I just wanted to make sure I could make a dress. I wanted to make sure the measurements I got were correct. It was a practice dress. So, but this fabric is the actual fabric for my maternity, my baby shower. I got this from fabricwarehousedirect.com. I was a little it was a little sketchy because I was like, it sounds fake, but no, it's a legit site. I ordered from there. I did research before I ordered. The fabric did not cost that much. It only cost like, for 6 yards, like $20-something. For, well, I think at the end of it I paid like 30-something because of shipping. It got to me pretty fast after I ordered it. It got to me in like 5 days. 6 yards is a very, very good material because it's like heavy. 6 yards is heavy. Yeah, I literally looked everywhere for this lavender, and nobody had this lavender but this site. But yeah, I ordered 6 yards from fabricwarehousedirect.com. Very fast. Now, we are still doing the same concept as the dress, like skirt wise. So I have this still for my skirt, but the top is not going to be the same. So I'm gonna have a picture of the dress I made in the other videos. If you have not watched that, you might as well watch part 1, 2, 3, and 4 to see, because mind you, I've never made a dress before. That was my first dress. I never even touched a sewing machine till I made that dress. So I literally learned all that in 3 days. I made all 4 parts of those videos. All 4 of that was made in 3 days. I just upload them at different times. But now look, it's still gonna be the same. The skirt is gonna be the same. I wanted that mermaid style and how it cinches in at the knees and then go out. I like that same style. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I already posted the picture, but I'll post it again. Excuse me. You're probably like, why is the headband on your hairline? Well, I was laying my legs down and I didn't want to use a stretchy band, so I used my headband. So yes, Adidas, Nike, don't worry about that. I'm in the house. We're doing the same concept. So this 6 yards, I don't have a lot of space in my living room to work with it, so I'm gonna have to cut it in half. So one part could be for the top half and the other 3 yards are for the skirt only. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna cut the fabric in half. I got my fabric scissors. Basically following the same process I did for my practice dress. So let me go ahead and I already folded it the best I can to cut it in half. So I can put the 3 inches over here because I'm not starting to, so this is gonna be back in parts. So this is part 5. This is part 5. I don't know how many parts total. It might be 6 or 7. This might be part 5, putting the skirt together, and part 6 might be putting the top, and 7 is assembling it. And then after that, that's when the baby shower, because my baby shower is in 3 weeks. It is March 6th. Today is February 15th, right? Yes, 15th. Okay, so like I said, I'm going in with my fabric scissors. Yes, there's a difference between fabric scissors and regular scissors. There's different kinds of scissors. So, yeah, I went in with these to cut it in half because I don't have 6 yards worth of area to work with. So to make it easier for me, why not just cut it in half and just separate the two pieces? I'm going to toss this half. We're going to toss this half on the couch because we don't need this one right now. When I say this is still some heavy, like it's heavy, like some good fabric. But we're gonna toss it over there. It's roughly 3 yards now. We want to make sure it lays flat. Yeah, we want to make sure it lays as flat as possible. I'm doing this, and we want to leave as much leftover fabric, and not. I might have to call my brother in here to help me. Okay, so yeah, I actually end up asking my brother to help me lay it as flat as I can because you do not want any folds or any lumps in the fabric when you're cutting it because you don't. Really, Gotti? Sorry, my dog just doing too much. But yeah, I had to ask for his help because it was just too much fabric. And then this fabric's a lot more stretchy than the last fabric I worked with. So it was a little harder to, you know, keep it in place without it moving all over the floor. But yeah, I'm going in with my template, putting that, my bodice or whatever you want to call it, putting that on the floor. I made sure I pin it to the fabric to make sure it does not budge. And then I measured out 33 inches from the knee area to just random part of the fabric. That's gonna be the mermaid area. And yes, my brother's sitting there. Don't mind his socks. Yes, he's ashy. Leave him alone. But yeah, we was watching Demon Slayer, which is an anime. So we're actually rewatching season 1 before season 2 comes out so we could be refreshed. So don't mind. That's why he's sitting there. But yeah, so I took my measuring tape, measured out 33 inches. It's kind of like at an angle. It's not like a harsh angle, only if you're into those kind of dresses. This dress is just pretty much the same thing as the green one I did. Yeah, you see how interested we are? We are so interested in what was going on. Having a whole conversation. But yeah, I just went in and pinned along that measuring tape to make sure I got 33 inches worth on both sides. And now I'm going back in with my fabric scissors, cutting all the excess fabric off that's not necessary. Cut them on both sides. I did the top piece because it was already a little wonky up top, so why not just cut that excess off? I should have probably cut more off, honestly, because this fabric was a little bit more stretchy than the last, like the green one. So it was a little hard to work with, but it's fine. It was fine. Like, we got through it. We got it done. Okay, so I actually had to flip the fabric because I had it on the wrong side when I cut it. But I'm about to pin the other side. Once I get the other side pinned, I will sew it together and then try it on to see, you know, if it works out for me. Hopefully it does. Like, I have enough fabric to really make 2 dresses. Literally enough. But we're not trying to do that. So yeah, let me go ahead and pin the other side so we can go on ahead and sew it. All right, we are pinned. We are about to move to the sewing machine to sew it. We are pinned. Let's get it. Remember when I did this for the green dress? If you haven't seen it, like I said, watch part 1, 2, 3, and 4. But yeah, I'm only this big because of the belly and then my hips. These are where my knees go. And then that. So, all right, we're about to move to the sewing machine so we can get started. Okay, so I actually wanted to record a little bit of me prepping the sewing machine, getting it ready before I went in and started sewing the fabric together. So yeah, we're still invested in the show. I don't even know what episode we was on. We just let it play. We probably was like on episode 12 or something like that, because they're only like 20-some minutes. They're like 23-minute episodes. But yeah, we was talking throughout me doing this, and it actually took me a way longer to sew both sides because I kept stopping to watch it. So yeah. But yeah, we I just went in, sewed it together, make sure it was straight. So I had to stop a few times. Like right here, look at me, just raggedy, just instead of getting it done. Went in with my fabric scissors to cut off the excess fabric, so when I put it on, it's not all wrinkly underneath. And then I'm about to try it on afterwards. After I finish that, I just flip it inside out so I can go ahead and try it on, and you're about to see in the next clip. Okay, so I finished the skirt. This is the color that I'm wearing for my baby shower. It's lavender. Yeah, I finished the skirt. So it came out pretty good, but since this is more of a stretchier material, it's a lot looser than the green one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna construct the top part first and then sew it together to cut the excess off. It depends, we'll see, because I want it to look good, but so far seems look good. Not busting through, it's not too tight anywhere. This is way more stretchy than the other material, but it is a lavender color. My colors are lavender and pink. But yeah, we are almost ready. We are almost ready. I said ready, almost done. I was reading the message, sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Here we go. There's baby. Looking like the backside. Nah, she bigger than my backside. But yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. So if you have not done so yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and I see you in the next part 6, where I construct the top. See ya.